guys, day 4. Dad's last one with the tag. We'll see if we can get in here and maybe get this stag down. I looked over a couple this morning already. Haven't got any video, but I think we got the one that he wants spotted down here maybe, so we'll see if we get him. Guys, we're just getting ready to shoot. He decided he didn't like that, and so he took off. Tried to go around at the ridge and cut him off, but it was snuck around in front of us faster than we thought because we haven't seen him again. So see if we can locate him again, or maybe find another one. I think we could probably pick him up again though. Brandon glassed the shed up the other day. We'll pick it up for him while we're here. Got a big one spotted up here. We never never seen this one before. Get up here, see if we can get a good look at him. And I might shoot this one, he's cool.
straight out of here.
He doesn't seem hurt. If he was hurt, he'd be dropping his head. I think that crack. It's like a whack rather than
Just right there, yeah.
He's
that
there.
him?
He's there.
Coming out right
yeah.
there.
Try it?
Have you got a clear shot at him?
I think so.
Try it.
Dropped him.
Oh!
Excellent shot. Holy crap.
Fuck!
Awesome.
Oh, we got a lot of work now.
Perfect shot.
Fuck. Yeah, we got him. Sweet. We've got a Can-Am right down at the bottom. I guess I'll get that Can-Am later. He's like right over. You know where they run the fence line down past the QE2 block? He's down there. Do you want to run Jesse back to some clients or what?
Gosh. That was awesome, Dad. That thing's freaking cool. I think he's better than this other one. Yeah. Than that one we were gonna shoot. This one, he's freaking rad.
Sorry, you're doing a video.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Yeah.
I'll record all of it.
That's awesome.
Fucking A right on that.
Good fucking shot. I mean, good. Sweet shot. Sweet, bro.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah, awesome. How awesome was that, guys? We didn't think it was gonna work out. We didn't think we was gonna get a shot at either one of those ones. Missed the first shot and the second shot. But luckily he came out and come down the ridge. Gave us another shot and just drilled him. It was so awesome. Sorry, but really dark here, so I can't even see me. Put down there and check him out. I think he's bad looking. He's so cool. Told you that thing is sweet.
It's freaking sick.
There's noise. He had a split right there off his second too.
I mean, neither. Uh-oh.
Shit.
Look at that. Look at Palm 80.
Oh,
I've seen this thing before. It's wicked. That's a cool animal, man.
That is, we pull her upside out.
Look at that. This guy like.
look at that.
I've got the Can-Am further down than where we are before.
That's freaking bad.
Yes,
Look at how bladed that is right there.
The other side looks like freaking almost the same. Yeah, check the other side. Freaking almost the same.
Where are you?
Oh gosh. He's so cool. His third split on this side too. Bunch of them. A 1, 2, 3, 4 points on his third.
Freaking
Look how awesome that looks. Oh, he looks so freaking cool. Yeah.